Greetings and welcome to February 25th of Shaw 111 Online, Spring Semester 2019. Wow, this week doesn't seem like we have much going on. What? Well, we have some readings, more readings with invention and organization, understanding audience, because we have to figure out who's going to be reading what your stuff is, so make sure you read that in Odigia. And the main deliverables, so last week you submitted your feedback, your paper rather, your first draft to here for me to review, and also for your peers to review. And you had to get that done by Friday, February 22nd. Well, now you have until March the 1st to read 2 other papers and then give feedback to those folks. And it says, yeah, if it says something about using the review guide. Okay, basically what you're going to do is use the instructions for paper 2 and say, okay, did they do all the stuff? So if you go to instructions for paper 2, the easy way to do it is kind of you just scroll down here and here's a checklist. Did they do these things? You're like, okay, well, hey, you know what? You had some contractions. Shouldn't, wouldn't, couldn't, can't, whatever. So make sure it's third person. They shouldn't be, I believe that this is a thing, or you should change your mind. No, this is all third person, so we need to make sure that's a thing. This would be a good checklist to do. Maybe even just copy this checklist and make sure they, hey, did they do these things? Or maybe they didn't do those things, so they need to address them. So what you're going to do for this assignment is that you would click back up here the week before to the discussion board, and then you will see a list of all the students' papers who are posted. So you find one that has not been already, already reviewed, or maybe one that only has one review, and then you read their paper and then you kind of ask these questions. And again, the idea here is it helps you and it helps them. Helps them see what they may not have realized they had done incorrectly, but also helps you by evaluating somebody else's work to see what you can do better with your own work. So that is a thing. So it's a little bit different how this works this week. So even though the assignment is here in March 25th, you actually have to go back to last week, click on the discussion board, pick 2 papers, answer those questions, give them good feedback, and you will be graded on whether or not you actually gave them good feedback. Okay, so that's how the thing. Now remember, attendance for this class is based on completing work for each week. So if you do not do this feedback, you'll be marked absent for this week, and that is not good because we want to make sure that you are getting all the possible points you can, including attendance points. So that is what's going on for February 25th. And so go ahead and do it. Please contact me with any questions.